नमस्कार, मैं चंदन कुमार मिश्रा एक बार फिर आपके साथ जुड़ रहा हूँ अपने नए प्रेजेंटेशंस के साथ। आज 14 जुलाई 2025 को मैं लिखा था। ओम नमः शिवाय। आज का प्रेजेंटेशन का विषय है रिव्यू द रिक्वायरमेंट एंड रिलेवेंसी ऑफ कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन ऑफ ज्वाइंट बॉर्डर प्रोटेक्शन फोर्सेज इन करेंट context of uncertain and vulnerable world order due to the probabilities of unexpected climate change related psychological polar mood disorder or natural disaster as the physical geographical classification and notations classify the diversified topographical land masses and water bodies on our only planet earth as plain, plateau, mountains, glaciers, desert, river, valleys, coastal areas, estuaries, forest, and ocean bodies. The origin and cultivation of human civilization was driven by availability of favorable environmental conditions of moisture, heat, rain, precipitation, diversity of edible vegetations, existence of pet and wild animals, availability of pure and clean drinking water, and daily solar exposures. Our common human civilization developed and prospered differently in different geographical regions as per the environmental conditions of that respective habitat and ecosystem. Vocal and scripts-based lingual dialects and speeches-related expressions and inscriptions had facilitated the inhabitants to interact among their community for protection of the children, women, ill, and old-aged person from the attack of the wild animals, hunt for food and cultivation, and building of houses and colonies, as well as care and rescue from the wildfire, flood, drought, earthquake, landslides, tornado, tsunami related disasters. Discovery and inventions has advanced and upgraded the level of comfort, mobility, travel, and outreach of the humanitarian society with other human settlements on different continents of our only planet Earth. Level of socialization and cooperation among various states and their governments has improved through diplomatic tours, partnership for joint ventures of trade, commerce, and infrastructure development or technical advancements. Nowadays, through regulatory, technical knowledge, and financial supports and cooperations, through bilateral, multilateral forums, discussions, and United Nations institutions in this 21st century of the modern human civilization. As for as protection of the border areas related transport of the goods and people are concerned, Constitution of the Joint Border Protection Forces for adjacent border between neighboring countries through proportionate hiring and deployment of the security personnel from both of the neighboring countries to guard the concerned boundary of the nations in unilinear format would reduce the vulnerabilities of clashes and conflicts among the nations in regulatory supervision of the United Nations Allied Security Services. By Chandan Kumar Mishra, Stress Management Consultant. You can watch my presentations on my YouTube ID at Chandanmai Vidya.